There exists a very popular and useful package called SideBarEnhancement. The SideBarEnhancement is a very good package for Sublime Text 3 that is going to allow us to manage files and add any other features to our Sublime Text 3 that are going to be very useful for us. So let's install it to see how it is working. Press Ctrl+P to install and search for SideBarEnhancement. When it is installed, we just need to be sure that it is working, so just restart Sublime. And now, every time that you try to create a new file, you don't need to save it, you just need to specify the name, and it is going to be created for you. Of course, you can reveal, for example, the location of this file using the reveal option. And it is going to open the location and works properly for a folder as well. Additionally, you can rename the files, you can move it, changing the location and the folder in fact. So it is very powerful, and believe me, it is going to allow you to do very important stuff. I have to clarify something, that you can open the command prompt in a specific location of your project just clicking in Open Run. But the problem here is that it is not opening the Git shell, it is opening the PowerShell of Windows in the case of Windows. So it is not exactly recommended, because remember that the Git shell provides us very specific commands that the PowerShell doesn't have. So please try to don't use it, to don't be confused about if you are using the PowerShell of the Git shell. Try to open every time the Git shell manually and go to the location that you need. We are done now with the Sublime Text 3 stuff, and we are able to start coding in the next classes. See you there.